Diary. Hi, I'm Charlie from Charlie's Train. Hi, I'm Charlie, and this is Charlie's Teaching Train. All aboard! Today we're gonna make some gingerbread ice cream. Now let's snap in a bowl. Oh, here's our bowl. Next, I need to snap in some cream. Here's the cream. Now let's pour it in. It's not pouring. I am so silly. I need a pull. Explosion. Yummy. Next, I need some milk. Here's some milk.
Okay, so that was 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. There's 2 cups. There's 1 cup of milk. What's next?
Next, I will snap in some brown sugar. Here it is. Now let's drop it in. 1 big clump like kinetic sand.
Okay, and there's 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. What next?
No panda. You can see her in the face reveal. Next, I want to get some of the gingerbread mix. Let's dump it in.
That's 2 teaspoons of gingerbread mix. You can use the pre-made gingerbread mix, but if you look in the video description, I'll put in the recipe that we used for this.
Next, I want to get some salt. Here's the salt. There we go. Now I want to stir it up. This would be easier if I had a whisk. Whisk! Ah, there you are. Stir it up.
And that was 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, so why don't you continue the mix and we'll come back after the ice cream has been made.
I am presenting the ice cream. Now let's give it a taste. You give a taste first. There you go.
So how is it? Excellent. All right. Join us next time when we try Santa Claus melon.